Hi guys, welcome to the first video of 2016, and first of all wish you all a very happy new year. I hope that this year brings you a lot of happiness and joy, and may all your dreams come true. Let's all take a pledge that we are going to kill this year. It is going to be our year. So I have made sure, I promise that I'm going to come out with 3 videos a week again, maybe more than 3, but 3 is a minimum. And to that, let's get started with today's video, which is about best of makeup products in 2015. These basically are the products which I reached out for the most in 2015. Some of the products I'm already hitting pan on, and some of the products are almost finished. So I thought, let's put together the best of makeup products of 2015 together in one video. And to make sure that only the products which I really use go into the video, what I did was I cleared up all my makeup drawers and I arranged everything according to the preference. That is actually how I arrange my closets and my makeup and everything. I put the products which I use on daily basis in the front, and then at the back are the products which I use a little less as compared to them. And then for the video, I grabbed everything which was placed in front. So yeah, I think these are about 20 products. As it's going to be a long video, I think I am going to cut the introduction here and let's get into the product. These are not actually according to the preference. These are all my favorite products, and let's get started with the first one. So this is the product which you guys already know that I completely love. I use it in every video of mine, which is Makeup Revolutions, this palette. I love it. I did a giveaway of this video and you can see I'm already hitting pan on this one. I use it every time I do my makeup to contour and warm up my face. This rose gold one and this one right here are my favorite highlights. On a daily basis, I use this one and sometimes this one. And when I'm going for golden glow, I use this one. So yeah, this is how the palette looks like up close. It is fabulous. This palette is totally worth the money. I will put the price of the products in the description box so you can check it, but I love it. It is definitely something which I take with me when I'm traveling. So this was the first product. Then the second palette for the eyeshadows. I love using matte eyeshadows. So yeah, that is what I use on a daily basis, and this is the palette which I love for that. It is Makeup Revolutions Flawless Matte. The colors are fantastic. These are very basic kind of colors, very warm kind of colors with a little like darky colors, as you can see. The palette is a really good mix of some earthy tones, some very light ones, some dark grey kind of colors. I love it, and I think this is a great product if you're just starting off with makeup and you don't want to buy a lot. I would say just get this palette, and it's very easy to use and you have a lot of like eyeshadows to play with. I'll just show you how the palette looks like. So this is how the palette looks like. If you want to see the clear pictures of the palette, they are up on my blog, Indian Beauty Diary, and you can actually check all the product pictures there. So that was my second product. Now coming to the foundation, I am still in love with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh foundation. Very long name, but an amazing product, and this is what I've used on my face today along with my second favorite foundation, which is this one, the Faces Glam on Prime Perfect Foundation. These two are fabulous. Everyday basis I use this one, and when I'm going out or for a little more coverage I use this one. And from last 2 times I tried using both of them together and they work fabulously. So these are my foundation favorites. After the foundation, let's move on to the favorite blusher of 2015, and it was this one. It is such a beautiful color. It's a city color blusher, and I think I got it in my fab bag, maybe January or February fab bag. Such a pretty combination of colors. Love it. It is such a beautiful mix of colors. The center 2 colors are actually matte, and that is where I concentrate when I'm putting on blush. And the top color is a beautiful eyeshadow which I use a lot, and the bottom color I use as my highlight a lot of times. So this is a great multitasking kind of a product, and I take it with me all the time when I'm traveling. I have used this product a lot in 2015, and I am so shocked why I haven't hit pan on it. But it is an amazing product. It has a lot to it. You can concentrate on any one color and get any one look. I have it on today and I love it. After the blush, let's talk about contour. I love sculpting my face, and the product that makes it super easy for me is this 1 pound eyeshadow. It's by Makeup Revolution, and it is just the perfect shade of brown. It is such a beautiful cool tone brown that you can use either to sculpt your cheekbones or to finish off or to neutralize your like what is it called, double chin, or you can just warm up around your forehead. I generally use it along with the bronzer that I have in the Golden Sugar palette, but today I've used just this product on my face, and you can see it gives such a beautiful this kind of a contour look and doesn't look too harsh. So yeah, I'm moving on to my favorite concealer of 2015, which is the Maybelline's anti-aging concealer. It is such a beautiful concealer. You can conceal your under eyes, you can conceal your spots, and it is absolutely invisible. Love it. Sadly, I'm almost done with it and it is not available here in India. Pretty sad. Let's move on to the eyebrows now. There's a duo that I'm completely loving these days, and the first product from the duo is this pencil. It is by Rimmel and it is their, I guess it's called an eyebrow pencil, and in the color 004 black brown, and it looks so good. Like if you have really sparse eyebrows, then you can use it and it will give you those beautiful kind of strokes that look like hair. I already have a lot of hair in my eyebrows and it still looks really nice on the patches where I have a little less hair, and the spoolie actually works pretty well. At first I was not okay with this kind of spoolie, but now I'm used to it and I'm loving it. On top of that pencil, I always use this product. It's called Maybelline's Fashion Brow. How the pencil looks like, and I actually use this side of the pencil, which is a sponge applicator, and I use it over that pencil so that it gives a little bit of softness to the brows. It works amazingly. The color that I use every day, I think it's called black brown. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to link it, like write it on the description box. It is amazing. I actually have a tutorial on how to do your brows naturally, which I'll link somewhere here and you can check it out. So yeah, after that, let's move on to the eyeliners. So there are two eyeliners that I completely love. The first one is by Sugar Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner. I did a review on it and also a giveaway on this product a while back, and this product is actually not waterproof and I thought I would not like it, but strangely I love it because the tip is so fine. See, the tip is so fine. You can get any kind of line that you want. You can make a very thin line, you can go over and make a very thick line, and that is the product that I've used today. It is super black and it's not that expensive, so I love it. I use it every single time I put on eyeliner, so this is what I've been reaching for these days. Then the second liner which I really like this year was a nude eyeliner. I always used to use like white in my waterlines, but this year I used a nude and I completely loved it. It is Rimmel's Scandalize. It is a beautiful nude color. Let me show you how this looks like. So this is how it looks like. It looks really nice on your lower waterline. It looks like you have really big dolly eyes. Love it. And then two nail polishes that I completely drooled over. First one has to be this new nail polish that I've just discovered, but I've used it so much that I love it, and this is called Another Glass. It is by Madame Glam. Love it. I think I'm going to just keep using it all year round in 2016. Next nail paint that completely won my heart in 2015 was this textured nail paint. It is by Sally Hansen and it's called Sugar Shimmer. It's a beautiful minty kind of a color and the texture on it is so pretty. It's a perfect nail paint for spring and summer. I killed it. I use it a lot and I'm still not over it. I can't wait to use it again. And then to my favorite mascara. It has been my favorite since like 2-3 years. It is the Maybelline Falsies in the waterproof formula. Completely love using this mascara. I think it is my 5th tube, 5th or 6th maybe. Still love it. Now coming to the favorite lipsticks of 2015, and this was so difficult because I am a lipstick addict. I have so many of them and I managed to use everything. So I sat and I finally came up with top 5 lipsticks of 2015. I'm going to start with the nude one. So my favorite nude lipstick of 2015 was this one. It is by Faces. It's called Faces Glam On Lipstick in the color Bear again, and you guys have asked me a lot about it. It is a beautiful nude, and the best part about this nude color is that it won't wash you off. So let me just swatch it and show you guys. So this is how this nude color looks like. It's really nice. great nude for Indian skin tone. So that was the first lipstick. The next lipstick that I completely loved in 2015 was this one. It was actually my first Faces product, and since then I've been loving the brand, and it is a beautiful pinky kind of a lipstick, and it actually is looking very bright on the camera, but it is a very light peachy pink kind of a lipstick, and it is called As You Like It in number 06, and it is a velvet matte lipstick. The name is absolutely correct. The lipstick is really creamy and looks pretty matte. So this is how the pink lipstick looks like. It goes with absolutely anything and everything. I use it a lot in summers and spring, and I actually use it quite a lot in winters as well when I want a very subtle lipstick, and this is what I put on. Moving on to a super bright pink lipstick that I completely loved in spring and summer and even wore it in fall times is this MUA one. It is just for 100 rupees, and oh my god, it is so bright. And when I say bright, I don't mean that tacky cheap bright. It is beautiful. I'll have to show you how this looks like. So this is how it looks like. It has this purpley kind of undertones, and it looks fabulous on Indian skin tone. Let me just swatch it for you guys. This is how this color looks like. Love it. Like, I can't wait to wear it again. Last two favorite lipsticks are actually very fall-like lipsticks, dark colors. Of course, the first one is the Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon in Midnight Rose. You guys already know that I love it. This is how it looks like. It has those rosy undertones. It's dark. It's like 100% matte. It's everything that you need in fall time. Last but definitely not the least, from my favorite lipsticks of 2015 is this liquid lipstick by LA Girl, and it's in the color Rebel. It is such a beautiful purpley kind of a color. I guess I used it in one of my looks. Yeah, I think I used it in my boho winter look. It is fantastic. Like, it is beautiful. It's purple, it's pink, and this is how it swatches. You can actually wear it all day and it doesn't come off, which is perfect for a person like me who's always eating. To finish off the video, I thought I'll share 4 of my favorite brushes that I use all the time, and let's get started with the buffing brush. This is my favorite buffing brush. I use it every single time for my foundation. It is by Real Techniques. It's from the set, the basic set. Any kind of foundation, it works amazingly on that. The next brush that I just can't live without is my Real Techniques blush brush. Now this is such a multitasking kind of a brush, and to be honest, when I got it first, I thought it is completely useless. But over the period of a year, I have just started loving it, and now I use it every single time that I do my makeup. If you look up close, the shape of the brush is very different, and it has this dome kind of a shape, which makes it very useful for a lot of stuff. So what I do especially when I'm traveling, is I use it for my blush on one side, and it blends everything pretty well. You don't really have to make an effort. On the other side, I use it to like put my contour or just to bronze up my face a little bit, and on the tip you can actually use it for your highlight. But on a usual day, I use a different brush for my highlight, which is this brush, and I don't know what's it called. Deluxe crease brush, and I love it. Although it's just too big for the eye, I just don't like using it for eye. But something that I use it for every single time that I do my makeup is for the highlight. So this, I think, is a really nice brush. It's pretty dense. So when you want your highlight to be at a particular place, then this brush comes in really handy because it's dense, it's nice, it's a little fluffy, so you can put on your highlight. This is where I have used my highlight. The highlight, I used it from the palette Golden Sugar. That is the rose gold highlight that I've used today with this brush. Love it. And it comes, I think it came in a set of 4. So it has this one, there is a liner brush, there is like a, I don't know, they're just some eye brushes. I love it for my highlight. And the last brush that I use every single time when I do my eye makeup is this dual ended brush, and it's by Eco Tools. This is how it looks like. So this one end of the brush is a fluffy end, so you can use it to blend everything. I always use it like on everyday basis when I'm not doing any intense eye makeup. I just use a little bit of bronzer to give my eye a little bit of contour, and the next side, if my camera decides to focus, is a smudge side. So you can put on any, you can just smudge your core with it, or you can use it to smudge a little bit of black or brown eyeshadow under your eye, as I did today, and looks amazing. And I think this also came in a set. There's another dual-ended brush that comes with it. I don't think I've used that brush ever. I think it's still in its packaging, but this one I love so much that I actually got another of the set. It is just fabulous. And that is a wrap for today's video. I really hope you liked it and it was helpful for you in some way or the other. I hope it gave you an idea of what are my favorite products and what I'm using for 1 year. And I'm pretty sure I'll be using most of the products for 2016 as well because I love them. So yeah, please share the video on your social media. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. It totally means a lot to me when you do any of that. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time out. I will see you in my next video. Bye.